your TV screensaver is about to get a major glow up or glow down, depending on how you see it. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. Starting next year, DirecTV will replace your boring screensavers with AI-generated ads, thanks to a newly signed partnership with Glance, an AI company backed by Google. So instead of that serene bouncing logo or slideshow of tranquil landscapes, you'll soon be staring at interactive, generative AI experiences, complete with customizable product showcases and shopping suggestions shining straight in your living room. Glance calls this a way to shop smarter through AI LED, visually immersive experiences that feel like watching TV. It means you'll be able to use your voice remote and phone to insert yourself or someone else into AI-generated video ads and then literally change their outfit on screen and buy it in real time. Glance's VP of Commercial Partnership said, "We're making television a lean-in experience versus lean back," saying that this aims to deliver a ChatGPT moment on your TV. Whether DirecTV subscribers actually want that or not is a different story. There's no word on whether viewers will be able to opt out or disable the new AI screensavers yet. And while the concept may look good for some users, others may see it as another layer of unskippable advertising. If this is the future of TV, your screensaver may soon know your wardrobe better than you do. Will you try out shopping with this upgrade? Tell us your pick in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.